I'm making an obligatory Instagram post. I'm using an EMG chip connected to my arm with this special glove. And when I contract my muscles, yeah, I have brain damage. Today, we're playing with an EMG chip. Alam kong dito nagpo-focus pero ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo. This boy here is an EMG chip. EMG stands for Electromyography. Electromyography detects the electric potential generated by muscle cells when these cells are electrically or neurologically activated. So basically, this chip records the movement of our muscles. For this project, we will be going to use the EMG chip, some high voltage generators, Arduino, 9-volt batteries, some relay, and some batteries. Also, I'll be using a rubber gloves to protect myself from electrocuting. Now that the electronics are complete, let's connect the EMG chip to the Arduino, connect the 9-volt batteries to the EMG chip into the high voltage generator with the high voltage relay, connect the LiPo battery, insert all the high voltage generators on the rubber gloves, upload some special codes, and bim bam boom, we're done! Now my project is complete. I just have to install it in my arms and test it. Yeah, so the science behind my project is whenever I contract my muscles, that would send signal to my Arduino to tell the electro gloves or the taser gloves to turn on. That's pretty much of it. So let's have a try. Test number 1 in 3, 2, 1. Oh. Being a Filipino Thor. Test number 2 in 3, 2, 1. Fuck. Test number 3. Being a Filipino Thor in 3, 2, 1. Wala pa rin. Okay, I got the wrong pin. Being Filipino Thor na sobrang payat at brown. In 3, 2, 1. Stop. Stop, man. Stop. Stop. Oh shit. That's so scary. I would like to thank you if you are still watching up to this point. If you like the video, please hit the like button and just maybe leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel or not. It's up to you. We're all gonna die soon, but I still would want to electrocute some people with these gloves.